Waffles of Victory. This one's good whether you have kids or not, just want to change things up for breakfast. You'll need a waffle iron, of course, and just any store brand waffle mix. I was just fucking around one day and ended up throwing in some of the spice cake spice that I had in the cupboard. I was actually looking for cinnamon, but thought, what the hell, why not? You know how the fake maple syrup tastes like really good over sausage? The two flavors complement each other. It's sort of similar with the spice cake spices.